were previously using LeanData. The onboarding process, we had a pretty simple distribution rules, but to just set up those kind of basic rules took a month of back and forth meetings. With Chili Piper, it was it was in a week. It were one meeting. So it was definitely a lot more user friendly. We make software for creating, managing sales documents. So typically that'd be proposals, but people use us for all sorts of other documents. My role here at Proposify is running the marketing and sales ops tech stack. Everything from our CRM to a marketing automation platform and any of the other kind of tools that we have connected in there. We've been using Chili Piper for a while. Previously, we were mainly just using the individual booking links, and so people on our sales team would include those in their email signatures or send the emails with links or reach out with their outreach and include the links, but we didn't have it connected to our forms. So that's been a big thing where it helps us decrease the amount of time between when somebody fills out a demo request form and when they get some time on the calendar. So when somebody comes in and they match our ICP and they fill out the form, and they immediately can book the time on the calendar. So that's been awesome. My experience using LeanData was basically having to build around other tools, and we're just forced into using it. Things were falling through the cracks, and it was expensive and not very good to use. And as soon as I saw in a first call what the platform looked like through Chili Piper and just how much simpler it would be to set up and how it can work with Chili Piper, it was it was in a week. It were one meeting. So it was definitely a lot more user friendly. With how we're already using the tool, it was definitely a pretty easy decision on our end for sure. There's other tools that have meeting bookers, but nothing that works as well with HubSpot forms and everything. So it definitely it fits better. Anytime I've looked at other solutions to handle this, having to always build exceptions in for everything else, that was definitely a pain point for me. So being able to have it just directly part of the tool made sure that we weren't going to have any kind of friction for that. I definitely feel the most comfortable that we're not going to have any other kind of weird things happen or have to build around using Chili Piper that way. So that definitely is something that's going to make it tricky if we were ever to look at anything else. And it's used across our team too. The product team is trying it out and using it for initiatives. Marketing uses it, sales uses it, I think support uses it. It's really the whole org uses it for different purposes. Beyond that, support team and the team I've worked with has been incredible, especially shout out to Robbie for sure. Every time I have a call with him, I know I'm going to have whatever problems I had fixed for sure. Anybody that is using a marketing automation platform like HubSpot or Marketo, that has inbound as a large part of their demo booking process. If your business model is based on people booking demos with your company, Chili Piper is definitely the best way I've seen for making that process work smoothly. It integrates with G2 Crowd, so all that kind of part of it, we know people are able to book through there. It's directly built into our forms where we have it in our product for getting customer feedback sessions. It integrates with everything that we're using now, and then I look to the future and it integrates with the stuff we're planning on using in the future. So I really don't see any changes unless it's deepening the relationship over time.